Hi, good morning everyone. So today this is Dr. Farhan here, and today I would like to answer some question that Doctor, what happens when we have some emergency in our at home when we place the braces? Sometimes what happens if you eat anything sticky or something hard by mistake, because we usually give all our patients the instructions what all to eat and what not to eat, but we by sometimes by mistake we eat something accidentally and break the braces. So how should we tackle it? How should we take care that the wire does not impinge our gums? So here if you see that the if you see on this side all the brackets are there and the wire is properly placed, but if you see in this side the bracket is broken here, so the wire is dangling outside, so it can touch your cheeks and it can impinge your gums and it can cause damage. Accidentally it can cause ulcers also. So what should we do? We have something called as orthodontic wax. So the orthodontic wax, just we can cut a small portion and it's very soft and you can make it as a ball, and then you will just place it at the end, just press it at the end so that it will not impinge your cheeks, and then you can visit the clinic and then you can get it fixed. We can put the braces, new braces, so that it will not touch your gums. Thank you.